So you are welcome back, guys. In this tutorial we'll be creating a form. So this is the form we'll be working on. This is the tags for the form section. So we want to create this form now. So we want to have this exact form we have here. We want to be able to create it. Like I said, after each tutorial we'll be having like a task to see the amount of knowledge we've been able to take in. So for this form section we'll be taking these tags. That's the tag 7. So just pause this video right now to see if you'll be able to do it on your own, or if not, just try and watch the form video again and see if you and come back to it and see if you'll be able to do it without watching the video, because that's how you'll be able to grow and improve yourself properly. So just pause the video now so that you can be able to see it and do it yourself. With that said, let's just jump into the laptop screen and do the tag. So to create this kind of form now, as usual, we must have our form tag to indicate we are working with form. So we have that down. So then we type in the field set. So then we save. By the time we go to our Chrome now, you can see we already have this section there. So let's continue. Then we have legend. We have legend. So we type in legend. So inside the legend now we have your details. The details, then we save. So by the time we go back to our browser, you can see your details showing. So after that, we can decide to use a label. This is a label right here. So inside the label we'll put our name. We'll put our name inside. Then we'll put input type text. So we save. So let's see what we have. You can see it's not different from what we have in here. So we create another label again. Label. For that we have email. So we put in input type. So this type will put email here. So let's see the results. So you can see now we have name and we have email. So we want this one to come down. We add the BR tag here to break it. We save. You can see we are now having it underneath it. If you still want to go down the more, you can still add the BR tag. So you can see now that it is under now. So you can decide to put a space here. So that's just that for that. So if you see this place text, and this is for email. So that's that for that. So let's go to the next section. So we've been able to create this first section. So we want to create this other one. So what we just have to do is to break it, because there is a space underneath. We break it. So we create another field set. We have another legend. So inside we have your review again. Your review. So we have double quotes. Let me add it here also. So your review. So by the time we save, let's see the results. So you can see your review showing. So the next step is the paragraph. So how did you hear about us? Question mark. So after that, you then have the select button right here. Let's just save and see the results. So that's what we have there. So after that we have the select button. So you can just say select. This is select right over here. So we'll go under, we'll put in the option, then we'll come here, we'll type in Google. Time we save, let's go to the results. So you can see it's not different from what we have there. You can see Google showing there. So we can decide to add more options also. Option, come here, put Facebook, come here, option, come here, put Instagram, come here, option, you put YouTube, and time we save. So we come right over here now, you can see a lot of options underneath it. So to the next one now. So that is that for that section. So would you visit us again? So another paragraph, would you visit us again? So you put in the question mark there. So inside the paragraph now, we have input, radio, then you come out, you put yes. At time we save now and check our results, you can see that that's what we have. So you can decide to come right here, BR slant, to break it. So you can see now that we're having the exact same results. So we come here again, input, type in radio. So by the time we go out slant, we come here, we put no, we go under again, Ctrl Z, we go under again, we put input, radio, slant, then we come here, we put maybe. So let's save. So you can see now that you're having the exact same results. So the next one now is for the comments. So we come right here, we put in the p tag. So we type in comments, double quotes. So after that we have text area. So by the time we save now, we'll have this. So you can see that. So let's just break this comment right here, BR slant. So you can see now that it's now in order. You can see now that it is in order. So this one is just long, so we can decide to make it 5. Let's go to our distance. You can see it's big now. Let's decide to make it 5 and save. So you can see now that we have the exact same results. So that's that for that section. I want to create a checkbox now. So the next thing to do, let's put in the input, we change this to checkbox, then save. So let's come here, you can see it is checked. So let's put checked equals checked, we save. So you can see it is selected. So we close it and then we come here, type in sign up for email update. will save. So let's see the results. You can see sign up for email updates. So after that, we also have another input, and that's submit. So then we change the value. So the value submit review. So and that's the end of it. So you can just come here, new line, PR, and save. So you can see we were able to create this exact same tax. So that's how we were able to create it. You can just scroll up to see it properly. So this is what we have, and this is what we have on our code. So thank you guys. Please give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel together. So share with friends, and whatever question you have, drop them down in the comment section. I'll answer you there. Peace out. Thanks guys.